In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format dates and numbers correctly and extract data using text to columns. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, using one of the most useful cleanup tools for imported or messy data. Text to columns is designed to split information from one column into several columns, but it can also help convert dates and numbers that Excel is not recognizing properly into usable values. That makes it especially helpful when you're dealing with copied data, downloaded reports, or entries that are all stuck together in a single column. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and locate the data you want to fix. A common example might be a single column containing entries separated by commas, such as a name, a department, and a number all in one cell. Another example could be a column of dates that look correct visually, but Excel is treating them as plain text instead of real dates. Once your data is ready, select the column that contains the text you want to split or convert. This is important because text to columns works on the selected range, so make sure you highlight the correct column before moving on. Next, go to the Data tab and choose Text to Columns. This opens the Convert Text to Columns wizard, which walks you through the process. In the first part of the wizard, choose Delimited, then click Next. Delimited means your data is separated by a character, such as a comma, tab, space, or semicolon. This is the right choice when the pieces of information are divided by a consistent separator. Now select the delimiter that matches your data. For example, if your values are separated by commas, choose comma. If they're separated by tabs, spaces, or semicolons, choose the one that applies. As you make your selection, Excel will preview how the data will be split, which helps you confirm that everything is lining up correctly. Then click Next. In the final step, choose the format for each resulting column. You can use General for standard values, Text if you want to preserve the content exactly as it appears, or Date if the column contains dates. If you're working with dates, make sure you also choose the correct date order, such as MDY, DMY, or YMD. This part matters because selecting the wrong date structure can cause Excel to interpret the values incorrectly. When everything looks right, click Finish. Excel will then separate the data into individual columns and convert date or number values into a format Excel can actually use. This makes your spreadsheet easier to sort, filter, calculate, and analyze accurately.